Okay, so we're trying to review Love Article 2, which is supposed to be a fun discussion between friends. So I have Ruchika with me here today. Ruchika and I have known each other for, I think, 22 years. Before we delve into the movie itself, I just wanted to say that I personally am a big fan of Imtiaz Ali movies. I still remember Tamasha. I did not like the movie in the beginning, so I left it. But then many days later, when I came back to it, the second half of Tamasha was absolute brilliance. I've loved his Socha Na Tha. I think I never liked Kareena Kapoor before Jab We Met, but after Jab We Met, I can tolerate Kareena Kapoor. So that being said, I have a lot of respect for Imtiaz Ali. So everything that we're about to say next, I hope we are forgiven for that. So with that, let's go to the gallery view. And here is Ruchika. So
Hi, everybody. Nishtha, thank you so much for inviting me on your channel. I have to say, I am really nervous. I couldn't sleep last night. And I was like,
and I
मुझे
am
क्यों
nervous
बुला
too
रही
now
है?
because
No, I was like, मुझे क्यों बुला रही है? अच्छा, okay, it's okay to speak in Hindi or do we have to stick to
no,
English?
no, no, it's totally okay to like this is just
Oh,
so my goal here is to a first both of us having fun.
mhm.
I think that if we have fun, maybe someone would like to see it. If not, I just want to create this stuff because I'd always wanted to do something like that, and it just never happened. I guess life
Okay,
happened, and you know. So
all
let's
right.
start with Love Article 2. Can I ask why did we pick this movie?
Um, I think we picked it because, like you, even I've been a big fan of Imtiaz Ali. I really loved his Socha Na Tha, and I also like Jab We Met a lot. I've seen Tamasha, but I don't really remember it that well right now. But when I saw Love Article show up on Netflix, I was like, wow, you should watch this. It's Imtiaz's movie. And यही सोच के चलाई. And उसके बाद लगा कि hmm, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है?
I
And
know
then we
because
were like,
we
no.
we went to watch it in the theater. And I was just like,
Oh.
अब क्या कर रहे हैं, you know? तो कल मैंने दोबारा picture देखी, and
Mhm.
I found like when the movie starts, those first scenes are actually pretty nice. When I was watching it the second time, I thought, that's not bad. You know, it hooks you in. There are these two parallel stories going. Both the girls seem to be strong, independent thinking women. So I thought, yeah, that's good. But right after that, you know, that introduction song, like it has some nice scenes with this technology on their heads. Like all of that was
Mhm.
very nice. The
Yeah.
visuals are very appealing. But then right after that, that scene with Zoe, and I forget what's the name of Kartik Aaryan's character.
Veer. Veer.
Yeah, so that scene where they meet in the club, I did not understand what happened there. Like, was it a hookup call? Was it like, why did she go after him? I didn't get that chemistry at all.
I mean, I thought that was the same theme throughout the movie. I did not get a lot of scenes and what the motivation was and how things were kind of, going back and forth between then and now. I feel like I have to say this, that I am a viewer. When I see a movie, I'm not really looking at the technicalities. I just want a completely kind of immersive experience. And I am ready to see whatever the director is kind of showing me, right? And for
Mhm.
me, a big thing is that I want to like at least one character in the movie. There has to be somebody. I mean, I don't have to identify with them, I don't have to understand their motivations, but I have to like them. And in this movie, I really wanted to like Zoe. And I wanted to like Veer also, but I actually didn't. So,
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I mean, Zoe's character till the end, I was looking for things to like about her, but there really was
mhm.
no redeeming quality. With Veer, I did not understand that first initial sequence. I think I wrote down what he says, hum situation underutilized kar rahe hain. Like, you know, that was totally out to lunch. But after that, he sort of, you know, he fits in with his own bill of, I did not understand if he had some issues. Like, was he challenged? He just seemed
Yeah,
high the whole time. Like, it was just, something was
I
off with
know.
that
What was
person, you
that
know?
about? I
Yeah, his
felt like,
neck is awkwardly crowded, and you know, it's अजीब सा वो कुछ आंखों में लगता है कि वो he's not there half the
या
time.
मतलब वो ऑटिस्टिक कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे कर रहा था, अगर था तो वो उसको कहीं बताया नहीं कि वो ऑटिस्टिक है या
हाँ,
कुछ ऐसा कुछ है. मेरे को लगता है कि पता है इन लोगों के ना सबके दिमाग में एक स्टीरियोटिपिकल पिक्चर है ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स, दैट दे आर सोशली ऑकवर्ड एंड दे आर नर्डी एंड दे आर दिस. And I think when they try to kind of interpret at that character, they just go like too extreme, too much of this thing. I was like, ये ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है? Is he trying to be like Ranbir Kapoor style, Raj Kapoor, मेरा नाम Joker style, or what is he trying to do? And
Right.
yeah, I did
Yeah,
not
there's something totally
understand.
awkward about that.
Awkward.
But apart from that, I think there was still some redeeming features about Veer in the sense that he had some moral logic to whatever he was doing. But Zoe, I think, had no sense of morality attached to anything that she was doing. Like there's times when, especially, that scene where I think they were trying to portray this angst of how her mother has finally accepted her decision to be with a boy, and she's all dressed up. She comes to his parents' house, and then, so I get that angst on some level, but I think that a more reasonable moral person would have shut up in that moment, behaved at the party, and then broke up after the party. Like that somehow would have made more sense to me instead of just behaving so badly. And there
Which
was
party are
really,
you talking about? Are you talking about when she goes to his house to meet his parents?
yeah,
To meet
yeah.
Veer's parents? Yeah, I mean,
I mean, who
you're
acts
right.
that badly? Who behaves that badly?
I know, especially तुम किसी के parents से मिल रहे हो. I mean, even यहाँ तो you're supposed to be in love with this guy, right? But even if you are not, you're just like random people. That's not how you behave, right? Yeah,
Exactly.
I mean, are you like that, childish that you will just say whatever is in your head, you just say it, you blurt it out loud like that? I don't
Or
know.
did
I
you have
didn't
some
get
mental
that.
health problems? Like, were you getting treatment for that? Was it like anything that is explained away in some way?
I know.
Okay, she had a nervous breakdown, she had
Yeah,
something happen, but
so sad.
nothing was explained in that sense. So that's why I feel like there was no redemption for Zoe's character. There's just so many, like, I have a whole list of things that irk me that, that she was doing. Like, most of all, did you see that she kept doing these hand movements? Like, her cheese में yeah,
Yeah.
constant, like, it was just,
Yeah,
I was
थोड़ी देर
thinking
के
of
बाद तो
you.
मैं yeah, okay, I'll come back to that, but मैं कह रही हूँ थोड़े टाइम के बाद मैं तो जोई के सिर्फ कपड़े ही देख रही थी यार कि उसने क्या पहना है वो कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं क्या कलर्स हैं क्या है क्या नहीं है
What
because
was
I
your
was like
favorite outfit?
you know well I don't remember any of those right now and I didn't see the movie just before this so yeah I don't know what was your favorite
Mine was, जब वो इंटरव्यू में जाती है जिसमें वो अपना बटन खोलती है शर्ट का,
oh yeah
वो जो शर्ट उसने पहना हुआ था ना, I so want to buy that shirt and I'm like, ये कहाँ मिलेगी? It
पर
has
उसने
like this
बटन क्यों
tie
खोला
and
यार
dye
हाँ
blue lines है tie and dye वाली.
अच्छा वो तो ठीक उसने बटन क्यों खोला यार इंटरव्यू में घुसने से पहले
That's so stupid. Yeah, that's what I think is like she has no moral ground. उसको
मैं
पता ही
एक
नहीं वो
बात
क्या कर
बोलूं
रही है.
मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ and this might not be a very popular opinion and feel free to edit this out if it's just like
No, no, no,
this
it's
thing
okay.
but here's my thing we always keep saying that oh you know what when bad things happen to girls it's the girl's fault it's the girl's fault it shouldn't be the girl's fault right we say that and I completely am on board with that it's never the girl's fault it's nobody's fault just by dressing a certain way you're not inviting any bad things to happen to you but you know what if you continue to show things like these in the movies what about all those impressionable young girls who are watching these things right these movies and they are actually following and emulating these characters and then they are thinking that it's okay to behave like this just before an interview it's okay to kind of unbutton your shirt an interview is not even like a club or whatever going to meet like boys or you're going with the goal of hooking up with someone you're doing all of that and ek taraf you yourself are putting all these kind of images and things in people's heads and then when they act like this and things happen then you say well you know what she was calling for it I mean it's the whole thing just does not make sense to me.
No, I totally see where you're coming from, though I would just bring the opposite idea of I don't think that it is any filmmaker's responsibility to give you a moral lesson. Like if someone goes to watch a movie and then says, "Mujhe is movie se ye prerna mili," like I did this. So this brings me a story from I think I was in grade maybe SK or grade 1, okay? और हम रिक्शा वो स्कूल की रिक्शा होती थी ना एक जैसे छोटे बच्चों की वो कवर्ड वाली रिक्शा
हाँ
होती
हाँ
है
हाँ हाँ
हाँ
हाँ
तो उसमें हम आते थे और मुझे पता नहीं हम मेरे को अमिताभ बच्चन की पिक्चर देख कर आई और मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोला कि वो अंकल उसमें ऐसे जंप करते हैं तो मैं भी जंप कर सकती हूँ तो मेरी फ्रेंड ने बोला कि नहीं कर सकती है तो मैंने बोला मैं करती हूँ तो मैंने ऐसे जंप किया और मेरी टांग टूट गई right so
really हाँ
yeah the rickshaw actually went over my leg so I had a huge fracture and but I don't think it is Amitabh Bachchan's fault कि मैंने अमिताभ बच्चन को देखकर उसको एमुलेट करने की कोशिश किया और मुझे चोट लग गई सो इन दैट सेंस आई मीन आई वुड से इट्स नॉट द फिल्म मेकर्स फॉल्ट बट या
So अच्छा यार एक बात बताओ, do you think that this is how girls are behaving in India आजकल? Is
Yeah,
that
the
what's
Champa Gali,
happening?
like, do you think there's a place like that, Champa Gali, जहाँ वो पार्टी करने के लिए जाती है और वो
जाते
लड़का
हैं
आता
हाँ
है? हाँ,
हाँ
वो मुझे हमारे टाइम में तो नहीं था यार ऐसा.
पता नहीं यार मुझे तो यार I mean I've always been very conservative and like a prude and you know I get really scandalized by things very easily. I think you are also
हाँ,
kind of like that or you used to
we
be
were both the
definitely
same.
before.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But
I love that you used to be like I have no idea तू क्या हो गई अब.
नहीं, you know, we grow up, things change, right?
Yes, things do
But
change. So true.
but I mean I'm like सच में इंडिया में ऐसा हो रहा है क्या? ये लोग ऐसे कर रहे हैं मतलब इतना well, I can kind of think, you know, if you go to the mall and all in India, you see so many couples everywhere, like हर जगह भरे पड़े हैं ऐसे तो obviously चीजें खुल तो गई हैं, but इतना ज्यादा इस तरह से, I mean, I don't know.
I think थोड़ा सा तो हो रहा है, but इतना ज्यादा हो रहा है मुझे पता नहीं. हमारे जमाने में भी होता था, but I mean that sense I agree to what you're saying कि उसको इतना normalize करके दिखाने से youngsters को ये impression पड़ता है, and I see what you were saying earlier.
Yeah.
So in a way I am agreeing with what you were saying कि लोगों को लगता है कि हाँ ये ठीक है ना,
हाँ
क्योंकि आप
ये
उसको
सभी कर
normalize
रहे
कर
हैं
रहे हो.
हाँ
सभी
सभी
कर
कर
रहे
रहे
हैं, नहीं तो लोग
हैं अरे
drugs छुपाते थे.
yeah. Oh, you know what? We should talk about also the show on Amazon Prime. Give me 4 more shots, please. Have you seen that? 4 more
I tried
shots.
watching it. It was so
Oh,
pathetic. Like it
it
had
was.
no,
Oh,
मुझे
it
कुछ
gives me
लगा
the
नहीं.
creeps.
मतलब
It gave me the creep.
there was nothing. There was no explanation apart from the fact that her dad had left her mom and her mom was with her.
I
And
know.
in that sense, like the likable characters that I thought that were there in the movie was Randeep Hooda and Simone Singh. Like the mom, and like those were the only two people I related to, I could feel for.
Yeah. You know, yeah, let's talk about Randeep Hooda's character. What was his name? Raghu. So, you
Raghu.
know,
Okay,
he
I
was
don't
the
remember
one.
the name. Yeah.
I wrote it down in my notes. See,
Yeah.
I prepared. I'm not just like randomly coming and talking off the cuff. So I prepared for your show. यार तुझे तो करना ही पड़ेगा प्रिपेयर तू होस्ट है मुझे तो इतनी कोई ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं देना अच्छा
Yes,
okay one more
thank you.
thing
You
is
can
it okay
true
to
friends
say
do this. Yeah.
yeah is it okay to say tu or do we have to be like very proper and say tum or
No, auntie, we have
ah
to be just ourselves.
okay okay
And for the record, मैं auntie हूँ, ये नहीं है.
okay ठीक है हाँ आंटी होगी तू हम
बिल्कुल.
दोनों ही नहीं है यार आंटी कोई नहीं है
मैं
आंटी
total auntie हूँ बाबा.
नहीं and अच्छा चल okay anyway so you know Raghu's character he really reminded me in the beginning. I got this, and I'm not talking about Kartik Aaryan as a young Raghu. I'm talking about the older Raghu. So he reminded me of Shah Rukh Khan in Dear Zindagi. Have you seen Dear Zindagi? So
Yes.
like a mature, smart, you know, charming older man, and I liked that about him. And yeah, he was the likable character in the movie. But you know what? उसको भी इन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा यार बाद में जाके जब उसकी बैक स्टोरी दिखा रहे थे कि when he's working in the restaurant as the waiter and then he is just kind of going after all girls and leaving his you know one true love kind of high and dry and all and then I was like ले ये भी ऐसा निकला so I
I
kind
think
of
I still like something about that character was believable. Like I sort of bought that. And that was okay. The only thing about that character that I did not get was why does he leave her, Leena थी ना वो?
Leena,
Why does
Leena,
he leave Leena at that cafe when he sees her and she's pregnant? Like वो पता भी नहीं करता है कि how is she pregnant, what's happened. वो ऐसे ही चला जाता है. Like that part didn't, like everything else made sense. I bought के okay, you know, you had left your career for her, so you sort of resented her for that. मुझे वो लगता है लाइफ में कि हम जिन लोगों के लिए बहुत sacrifice करते हैं ना, in the end we end up hating them.
yeah
तो वो मुझे समझ में उसका थोड़ा सा आ रहा था, बट वो उसको क्यों बात नहीं करता है वो पार्ट मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. Now, I know
मुझे
you
लगता है
mentioned
क्या
this. Sorry, हाँ, go ahead.
नहीं हाँ I was gonna say I think वो उसने बस नहीं देखा because he saw that okay she's expecting and he's like okay यहाँ तो सब खत्म ही हो गया kind of story and he says
हाँ,
I
but
think
हो
he went
सकता है
to
उसके
her
husband की
house
death
but
हो गई हो सकता है she was not even
हाँ
married and she's just having a
हाँ
baby
yeah
and
that's
like you
true
know there's so many things that can
maybe she's a surrogate for someone else
exactly like so much could happen but we will never know because she didn't find out, right?
yeah
So you mentioned Kartik Aaryan as
Raghu
Deep Hooda, Raghu. Okay.
हाँ
So what was that? Like his mannerisms never changed.
same
He was so
it was Yeah, I mean, पता नहीं वो क्या है, और उसमें भी तो मतलब I like that girl, other girl, Lena. I like that she was bold. She was ahead of her times, I think, because she called
For
him to
sure.
the chhat and all that, right? And
हाँ.
he was the one who was acting like all that was fine, but yeah, उसके साथ उसने अच्छा नहीं किया, but बाद में ना उसको ऐसे छोड़ के just for whatever reasons. कुछ उन्होंने क्या, तूने तो recently देखी है movie, उन्होंने कुछ ये बताया था कि why he acted like that? Why he
Why he acted like how? Like sleeping
like
out with other girls?
yeah,
Or?
with the other girls, yeah, why did he go crazy and just kind of leave her?
I think वो वही था कि my understanding is कि because he gave up his, medicine and his parents and his life for this girl, he sort of came to resent her for that. And
Oh,
then when he was sleeping around with other people, she still trusted him and she loved him. And that made him feel even worse about himself
by
that,
himself.
she trusted him so much and she still loved him. And he sort of almost
Mm,
cannot face himself. And then they
okay.
explain why Randeep Huda is imagining Kartik Aryan as himself because he's saying that day I lost myself. So I've been seeing myself in other people.
People.
And even if you, like, why am I so interested in your love story? Because even if you get something, I'm not going to get it, right? So whatever you gain, but I'm still sort of always trying to vicariously live through all of you. So that character, I think, made complete sense to me,
Mm-hmm.
in a way. Like there
It did.
are points that I don't agree with,
Mm-hmm.
but otherwise, like I think Randeep Huda in every
It's
scene
good.
was amazing. I don't know why
Yeah,
he
he
doesn't get
was.
more work. Like उसको क्यों कोई काम नहीं दे रहा है? I feel like he did the same
हाँ.
thing in his real life too, because he was with Sushmita Sen, right?
Oh, was he? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's kind of what I heard. But
Oh,
anyways,
okay.
we don't care.
हाँ, I liked him. I mean, I like Randeep Huda. I've
Yeah,
always
I
liked
love
him in all
Simone
the
Singh too.
movies.
Like her character made
Oh yeah,
sense, right?
yeah,
Like those were the two
yeah.
characters that actually had backstories and that you could actually relate to.
Mm-hmm. Even though Simone Singh का कुछ ज़्यादा दिखाया नहीं, other than just her being crazy, like after like saying ये मत career को focus करो and ये मत करो वो मत करो and all that.
हाँ, but they
अच्छा
show that
उसकी
एक गाने में वो उसकी बैक स्टोरी दिखाते हैं ना कि पेरेंट्स पकड़ लेते हैं लड़के के साथ तो वो लड़के के साथ भाग जाती है और फिर भाग के जिस घर में आती है तो like slowly the husband stops taking care of her and she's always doing
oh
घर का काम and like that sort of breeds resentment. And I
yeah,
think I can relate to that कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम पढ़ रहे थे और फिर हमको सडनली एक शादी हो गई और हमसे कितनी कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस हो गई कि अब ये करो. And
हाँ
like when you come to think of it, we were these bright, smart, intelligent young women of the 90s. But I think we are the last generation of girls, and even हमारी generation में बहुत सारी लड़कियां तेरे मेरे जैसी नहीं होंगी कि जिन्होंने पता नहीं बहुत एक ट्रेडिशनल 1940s की हिंदी फिल्म की बहू बन के जीवन बिताया हो. So in that sense, like I can relate to her frustration,
yeah.
the mom.
And there was a sister also, yeah, who was just in a few scenes, no dialogues, nothing, and never
हाँ.
seen heard from again. तो just a random ऐसे किसी को एक्टर बनाने के लिए डाल दिया वो. कुछ तो
But
थोड़ा
I think
दिखाते कि
that's what makes a good movie or a bad movie, right? Like the good movies, if you look at Jab We Met, every character sort of had a backstory or every character had a place in that movie, right? Or but इस movie में ऐसा नहीं है. उसके इवन
yeah,
कार्तिक आर्यन के पेरेंट्स का कुछ पता ही नहीं है कि उनका
कुछ
क्या
नहीं पता नहीं.
थोड़ा सा कुछ है कि बनती नहीं आपस में बस. There's nothing.
Yeah. तो like जब भी मेट में जो एक चाचा था वो उसका सिमरन का प्रीत क्या नाम था, नॉट सिमरन, उसका नाम क्या था, गीत. हाँ गीत का, हाँ गीत का जो चाचा था वो जाके भी कहता है कि पकड़ के ले आएंगे एंड ऑल दैट, उसको एक सीन में ऐसे बोलता है, तो उसको भी कितना अच्छा मतलब डायलॉग्स एंड वो सब दिया था.
Yeah.
बट यहाँ पर इसमें हाँ, दैट वाज द वियर्ड.
In all, I think we've sort of decided कि कुछ खास अच्छी पिक्चर नहीं थी. Was there anything that you loved about the movie? Like just even a small scene or something?
What I really loved about, I mean, not in terms of scenes, but in terms of kind of the overall, the stylishness of the movie, the clothes, the colors, the way things were kind of, the scenes were composed and all that was great. And, like I said earlier, I don't really pay attention to that. But in this one, I sort of did because I didn't want to pay attention to what was happening in terms of the dialogues of the story. And I was like, yeah, ye to bahut hi, I mean, seriously, I'm telling you, I watched it in like 3 installments, 3 days पे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ऐसे देखा था मैंने. And maybe that also leads to like a fractured kind of experience, but that's what I have time for at this point. But even with that, I mean, there were so many times and I just wanted to throw things at the TV and my husband's like, मत देखना,
नहीं
तू क्यों देखे जा रही है, क्यों देखे जा रही है, देखो इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है। तो I'm like, देखना तो है, बट एनीवे, तू बता तुझे क्या अच्छा लगा उसमें।
I think there were just two moments. Of course, Sandeep Huda, I loved him,
Mhm.
But there were two moments. Ek to she's going out first of all, yeah. Second of all, yeah. And then Randeep Huda says secondly. Second of all, nahi hota.
Hmm.
So I loved like that.
That,
And then
that was.
the little character, that boy, जिसके साथ में वो अक्सर चली जाती है. She goes out drinking and she's sort of just
Oh yeah,
partying
yeah,
with him. तो वो अपनी tequila पीता नहीं है तो वो वापस कर रहा है कि ये
yeah.
वापस ले ले, मैंने भूल के नहीं
झूठी
पी.
झूठी नहीं की, yeah.
I just love that,
I know.
But
Yeah.
so I think that one I love. But even with him, like I think she's treating him wrong, just like she treated his parents wrong. वो Kartik Aaryan के
Yeah.
parents. Do you think the mom was wrong? So that's the only character I feel worth thinking about.
I feel like I don't think that she was wrong. I think that's what we do, right? As parents, we want to pass on our experiences to our kids, and we don't want to make them we don't want them to make the same mistakes, right?
Right.
I think that's true. However, what I found a little kind of conflicting was that she's shown to be such a cool, awesome, progressive girl who's doing all these things. एंड उस मॉम को क्या सिर्फ एक यही चीज पड़ी थी कि तुम अपना करियर करो, करियर, और उसको और कोई एडवाइस उसने उसको नहीं दी, इन द सेंस दैट तू ऐसे मत बिहेव कर, या डोंट बी सो प्रोमिस्क्यूअस, और all of that. तो that was a little discordant for me, because as a parent, I myself, when I'm giving advice to my son or to my daughter, I'm not just focused on the one thing, यही मैं उसको बार बार बोलती जाऊंगी. I mean, I will try to make it, and maybe that's the thing that they just leave it out to, it's like the artistic liberty that they take, right? That the director has taken, that he's only focused on this part of her character because that shapes her choices. So that's my
Right.
answer. I don't think she was wrong, but I felt like it was a little, it wasn't
A complete
shown in like
picture.
a
It was
complete
missing
picture.
something.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then जब वो रिश्ता आता है, वो mom बोलती है कि अब शादी कर लो. As a mom, like if you were in that place, what would you be saying to your daughter?
कि अमीर उसका रिश्ता आता है और कर लो
अमीर
शादी.
मतलब अमीर जैसा अमीर, right? Like not
अमीर,
just,
हाँ.
I mean, they're shown to be like really rich
Really, really.
group.
Deek, I don't think it's just a matter of money, right? I mean, it has to be everything. You can't just, I mean, if you know the boy, if you know them, if you know the family, you know everything, then it has to be the whole package. You don't just marry a person just only for love. You don't marry a person only for money. You don't marry a person only for, career prospects or family or whatever. It's a whole complete package, because here's what I really truly feel. The love part only lasts for a very short time, like the true honeymoon period. And then after that, the reality kind of jumps in. And those people who say that we only want each other and हम अकेले एक दूसरे के साथ पूरी जिंदगी बिता देंगे, that's not true. Once you have kids, you need family, you need other people in that thing. Your kids need interactions with other, close people. So seeing all of that and knowing all of that, I would feel that it cannot be just about money. It has to be everything. It has to be the whole package. And that's when, if I see the whole package, then I'll be like, yeah, sure, go ahead.
Right.
What about you? Now you have to give your point of view also on both of your questions.
What was my first question?
First one was the mom right? The way she kind of raised her and what.
Yeah, no, I think I agree with you. Like, I think the mom was not wrong in that sense. But yeah, the question that you brought up, like, how come उसने कभी अपनी बेटी को रोका ही नहीं है किसी चीज से? I think I didn't think about that. But when you asked that, yeah, how come उसने नहीं रोका? क्योंकि हम छोटी छोटी बातों में रोकते हैं अपने बच्चों को, है ना? कि ये मत पहनो, या ये स्कूल में मत पहन के जाओ, और यहाँ पे ये पहन जाओ, और दिवाली पार्टी में ऐसे मत करो, or whatever. So you would
बाल कंघी कर लो यार, हम तो इतना तक भी करते हैं, बाल कंघी करके जाओ ऐसे. My son throughout his middle school, he went to school without combing his hair even once. Every morning I was like, you need to comb your hair and go, and he is like, nobody combs their hair, I'm gonna go like this. And I'm
that's
like,
the new trend,
still, still, but I didn't like give up on it. I still said every morning, comb your hair. And now high school, he spends 15 minutes doing his hair in the morning. I'm like, okay.
Okay, that's another discussion.
Yeah, I know.
But what was the second question about the rishta? I think I liked what the mom did. Like, she said कि अच्छा रिश्ता है, मेरे ख्याल से सोच लो, but she didn't force her. She didn't say कि तुम नहीं शादी करोगी तो मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करूंगी, या any of that. So I can see myself possibly saying कि हाँ ये रिश्ता अच्छा है and इसको consider कर लो. But yeah, I possibly wouldn't be forcing my daughter either, because like you said, it is the whole package. There's just so.
So, what do you feel about getting married at like 22, 23? Because she's 22, 23 years old at that time. She's not even done anything for her career. And it's not so much different from our situation, right? Both of us got married at
Ah, to
that, and
22,
where there were
22.
people who were our age who didn't get married until like in their late
हाँ
20s or 30s even, right?
तो मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस which is completely biased and only based on what I think happened to me and my life, because also again you were in the same situation कि हम इंडिया में, I think इंडिया में हम काफी टॉप चीज थे. Would you agree? हाँ,
Yeah.
हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में we were not like fools.
Mm-hmm.
We were people that people thought कि ये कुछ है. परंतु आई थिंक एकदम से शादी हो गई 22 साल में, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे इतनी अक्ल थी.
I agree.
तो मुझे खुद को कंडक्ट करने की अक्ल नहीं थी, ना तो एक रिलेशनशिप में, ना ससुराल में. In just all those ways, I just kept giving up. So I relate to Randeep Huda's character in the sense that I lost myself in that process of trying to please everybody else, to the point where I came to resent everybody that I was giving up my own self for. And I feel like कि I don't know the saying correctly, but कहते बकरे की जान गई और खाने वाले को मजा भी नहीं आया, right? Because I don't think it made them happy or
Mm-hmm.
satisfied with what I was giving up, and I died for no reason, sort of.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think girls should get married at that young an age. I would tell my daughters to, first figure out who they are, what they want to be, to have a career for themselves, to have some sort of financial stability for themselves. क्योंकि जब हम लोग की शादी हुई, हम कमा सकते थे. We had both done our masters by then.
हाँ,
हम कमा
but
सकते
हाँ,
थे, पर हम कमाते नहीं थे,
नहीं थे, right?
right? So it does make a difference, यार. And so now you answer your question.
My answer to my question is that I'm just like amazed at. I mean, I have to echo what you said. That we've been very lucky. We've gotten good husbands, good families. Everything's been great. But I'm just sometimes amazed at my parents that उन्होंने इतनी जल्दी कैसे यार कर दिया. मतलब हमें तो कुछ नहीं आता था, हम बच्चे थे. अब हम सोचते हैं उस टाइम हमें लगता था यार तो हम बड़े स्मार्ट है, हमको तो बहुत कुछ आता है. But if you think about it now, at 22, 23, what the hell do you know? यार हमको प्लेन में अकेले बिठा के यूएस भेज दिया है. हाँ, क्या हमें आता है? अकेले आके हम कर रहे हैं. We didn't know anything. So I mean, I am like, but I think that's the thing about Indian parents at that time. हम लोग को तो पार्क में खेलने भेज देते अकेले 7-7 बजे तक कहीं घूम रहे हैं. हम तो अपने बच्चों को नहीं भेज सकते यहाँ पर कहीं बाहर कि जाओ अकेले खेलाओ या कुछ कराओ. तो मेरे को लगता है शायद वो उसकी बात है. बट हाउ डिड दे एक्चुअली डू दैट यार? इतने छोटे छोटे हमको बोल दिया
Yeah,
जाओ.
yeah. मेरी तो अपनी मम्मी से इस बारे में काफी बहस भी हो चुकी है कि आपको लगा क्या था, आपने मेरे को 22 साल में मैं बच्चा थी, आपने मेरी शादी कर
हाँ,
कैसे दी.
कैसे कर दी?
And my mom, her answer, like she's given me two different answers at two different times, and I will share them with you. I don't know. Her first answer is कि अगर मैं तेरी तब पकड़ के शादी नहीं करती तो तू शादी कराती ही नहीं.
हाँ, okay.
Maybe, but
I
I
don't
also
really
think
believe that.
you don't. Maybe I
हाँ,
buy that about me कि हो
हाँ,
सकता है मैं नहीं कराती,
हाँ.
कि मुझे कभी कोई लायक ही नहीं लगता. I had too high standards in my head or whatever. But मुझे लगता है वो भी कोई दुनिया, it wouldn't have been the end of the world. तो
Yeah.
क्या हो जाता. But the second answer which she's given me, which I've always thought about, like maybe is true, maybe is not true, is she said कि तुम उस समय ऐसे बच्चे लगते नहीं थे. You used to look so smart and mature, और तुम लोग जैसी बातें करते थे तो ऐसे लगता था कि हाँ तुम्हें बहुत अकल है. और हो सकता है कि
Yeah.
sometimes we pretend to be all confident and everything, कि हम शायद अपने आप को भी बेवकूफ बना लेते हैं कि हमें अकल है. Do you think?
I have to agree with auntie there. तू तो बहुत smart थी यार. तेरे को बहुत पता था. Yes, seriously, I'm telling you, you were always like a thinker. I feel like I'm more like, just happy-go-lucky, जो हो रहा है चल रहा है types. You were always a thinker. You used to think about things a lot. And, that's evident from the poetry you used to write and the things that you used to talk about, even the kind of shero shairi that you used to understand and, pull out at the right time. I remember all that. So तुझे वो सब आता
Thank you.
था.
That's why you're on the show.
Okay. Well, okay. Anyway, so I think I kind of agree with you. I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, right now at this point, I haven't really asked my parents that, but I have talked to my mother-in-law and I'm like, इतनी जल्दी शादी कैसे मतलब हमारी हो गई क्या हुआ and all. And she says that she's always been like a proponent of, girls especially getting married early, because when you get married early, you are kind of more like you're moldable, in the sense
हाँ
that
तो
you
हमारे
know how
कंट्रोल में आ
to.
जाओगी.
Huh,
हाँ.
not really in control, but at least you are not so set in your ways that you are like, this is my way or the highway, or this is how I've always done things. You can actually adapt more easily to your in-laws place and their traditions and their whatever.
So I think the only good thing I can say about getting married early on is that my husband and I have actually grown up together. Because we were both very young, and in hindsight, like उस समय मुझे लगता था कि ये मुझसे 4 साल बड़े हैं तो पता नहीं बहुत समझदार हैं. But now look back. I mean, he was also only 26. I'm 42 today. So वो 26 में, what did he know? So it's okay. So now we've really grown up together. We just have a lot of history together. Because see, we've already been together for 20 years.
Yeah.
Like that's a big deal.
That's a big deal. Yeah, you spend more time with him than you did with your parents. It's barring the first 5 years. Yeah, it's the same for me. It will be 20 years anniversary in August. So
yeah. So I think that's the only good thing about this happening. Okay, I think we should stop the video.
I know.
Because do you remember तूने बोला हम 10 मिनट का रिव्यू करेंगे?
I know, यार.
हम एक बार बोलना शुरू करेंगे, 10 मिनट में बंद हो जाएंगे.
But I just have to say that if at times I've been like incoherent and like what is she talking about, it's because I have been really nervous. शुरू में, बाद में I was fine, I think.
I didn't look like that though. हाँ, मतलब मैं भी शायद मुझे I'm not sure where to look. तो मैं शायद अपनी आंखें बार-बार move कर रही हूँ, but yeah, we'll see.
But ठीक है यार, I can. One I felt, and we're digressing, but that one I felt like they are completely like.
But that's what real friends do, right? Like we start with something and then we go to something, and that's kind of what I want to do. We will talk about that also sometime. But उसमें वो believable हैं सब लोग. अरे तेरे ये नीचे पीछे lemons लगे हैं?
हाँ, पीछे lemons.
अरे वाह.
यार ये मेरे AirPods ना बार-बार गिरे जा रहे हैं. It's so irritating. 4 बार ये गिर चुके हैं मेरे कान में से.
I have registered the complaint. अब मैं जब अगले earpods बनवाऊंगी तो मैं बोलूंगी कि रुचिका के earpods गिरने नहीं चाहिए. तो ऐसे करती है. तो यार ये अगर मेरा पॉपअप आएगा तो ये भी रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा क्या? अब पता नहीं.
I don't think so. टेस्ट है ना, पता लग जाएगा.